Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how you can quickly ideate and build your prototype using vibe coding platforms like V0 and then host it on Catalyst Slate so that your app is ready to handle real traffic. V0 is great for prototyping fast through a few prompts, but when it's time to go live, you need a platform which has the infrastructure needed to support it. And that's where Catalyst Slate comes in. Slate is a front-end hosting service with Git integration, custom domain support, and it sits inside the agent-ready full-stack Catalyst platform. So you get V0's speed to ideate, Slate's production-grade delivery to ship, and Catalyst's full backend to turn your prototypes to a complete production-ready app. Now let's go to V0 and create a simple e-commerce front-end. Hero section, product grid, cart, and everything your customers need to place orders successfully. We paste this prompt into V0, and after it completes its task, we have an e-commerce front end. Now that our prototype is ready, let's ship it on Catalyst Slate. First, we connect V0 to GitHub. In V0, go to Settings, click the GitHub tab, add your GitHub account and authorize the connection. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be able to select the repo. Now you can easily deploy on Slate from your GitHub repo. The plus point here, every time you make a change in your GitHub repo, it will be automatically deployed on Slate. Now over to the Catalyst console. We quickly create a project and give it a name. We go to Slate and click on Start Exploring. We connect our GitHub account. Just click on Add Account, authorize Catalyst, verify your email, and we're in. It just takes a few seconds. After this is done, we select the GitHub repository V0 has just created. Set the deployment branch, the framework, and rest of the details. If you wish your changes to your GitHub repo are automatically deployed by Slate, you can enable this option. Now, let's hit deploy. Slate pulls the code, builds it, and gives us a live public URL in just a few seconds. We can click the URL and see our app live. We can also add our own custom domain from the Slate page. Let's click on the Go to Overview button. We just need to add our domain and verify it, and then we are good to go. There's no extra charge for hosting your app in your domain. Since Catalyst by Zoho is an agent-ready full-stack platform, your backend is right here when you need it. You can use functions for cart logic and order processing, data store for your product catalog and your relational database needs, status for object storage like your product image files and videos. Then you have NoSQL for any unstructured data, API gateway, authentication, AI and ML components, basically everything available in one platform so that you don't have to switch between multiple vendors and builds. More helpful resources on how you can build your backend through prompts are attached in the description below. You went from a simple V0 prototype to running a production-ready app which auto-scales based on demand and is now ready to handle real traffic. We can't wait to see what you build and ship on Catalyst Slate. Thanks for watching. See you soon.